In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to file a 4868 form at FreeTaxUSA. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to freetaxusa.com and then sign into your account, or log into your account if you don't already have one. From here you'll need to go over to the dashboard like so, and from here you'll need to go over to the accounts section over here in the right hand corner and go down to file an extension. Once I'm here, you'll be asked if you want to file an extension. I'll just need to click yes and then save and continue. And then from here, you'll need to fill your extension. From here, you'll just need to add in your personal details and estimated tax information. And once I'm here, you'll simply need to click continue like so and just click save and continue until you find all of these other options over here. And then when you go over to final step, you will then submit the extension and electronically sign and submit the form 4868. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!